As board members and executives under the NIS2 directive, your cybersecurity responsibilities are more critical than ever. Regular cybersecurity awareness training for all employees is no longer optional. It's mandatory. But how comprehensive is your program? Your IT and security teams require specialized training sessions. These technical experts are your first line of defense against cyber threats. All employees need regular cyber training and awareness campaigns. Have you, as executives, received specific training on NIS2 compliance? Understanding your responsibilities is crucial for effective governance and risk management. Data access must be strictly controlled. Are your systems configured to restrict sensitive information to authorized personnel only? These questions aren't just compliance checkboxes. They're essential safeguards for your organization's future. Your leadership in cybersecurity awareness starts here.